all the way out. Air out. I probably will just...
It's making me nervous.
Oh, is this...
I'm not like...
Oh, trust me.
I'm not into cameras and all that.
Oh, just forget that that's there. Just focus on me. Okay, where's it hurting?
Right now, it's really right here.
In the sternum.
Yeah.
And when does that happen? When you puff your chest out? Or?
Yeah, when I go like this, it'll
Okay.
start to crack. When I'm going inwards, that's where it hurts. Whereas I see relief when I'm going outwards.
Can you? You're fine. Okay. You mind? I'm going to be like right here in front of you. All right. And then go ahead and just both arms out and over. Does that? I don't see anything clicking.
It's really when I'm like, when I go all the way back. That's where I feel it. Probably when I stand up and I can get it.
Yeah.
It's not there right now, but...
No, it's okay. It's not... Do you mind if I just feel it? I'm
Yeah.
just going to feel. Okay. My hands are freezing. Sorry. Have you ever had this adjusted? No. I'm going to press it, kind of like squeeze it. I know. You tell me if it hurts. Okay, stop me. Does that hurt?
No.
Does that hurt?
No.
I'm going to push it back in a little bit. Does that hurt?
No.
So that actually kind of feels better?
Yes.
Okay. Let me just see this side. Does this side hurt too?
No.
It's just not, it's here too. It's just not
I've
swollen.
been told. Yeah.
It's not swollen. This side is inflamed. So what you do is you just press in here and kind of resist me a little bit. Does that hurt?
No.
And then you cannot take it behind your back, right?
It hurts, yeah.
And it hurts in the front or the back?
Yes, in the front. Like here.
Yeah, and that's right where the bicep tendon is. So it's like, so it could be a labral tear, they call it, where there's like a piece of cushion in there that's like a pad, and that sometimes gets nicked. Now, they have options. I can work on this. It's also, it looks like, coming from here.
Yeah.
Because I see it pull when you were doing that. Yeah, right there. She's like, oh no. It's all over.
That's my weak spot.
Vulcan grip. Yeah, it's not over here at all. Isn't that fascinating? What did you do? All right. Let me feel the neck really quickly, okay? Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, it's all the way up into your neck. Jesus. Look, it's all the way here. Look at that. Okay. Let's start you out light, okay? We'll work into it. Take some deep breaths. We'll do the good side first, okay? She's like, oh, it's all bad. You're gonna have to maybe tape up the shoulder, okay?
Okay.
I don't know what to tell you. Is that real bad? So it hurts to go back like that, eh? Any dizziness or vertigo?
No.
So something's happened to your neck as well as your shoulder, okay? But what are they doing to you? I don't know. You're gonna have to make it back out here again.
I can.
There's just no way. Look, I gotta go back. Every time we do it, it gets better. Oh my goodness gracious, girl. It's coming out. All right, it's coming out. You're gonna be sore. Be very careful with your neck the next few days, okay? I need you to baby it. Try to keep... 2 rules. No looking down. Do not look down. You look down, you mess this up.
Okay.
No looking down. Next rule is do not sleep on your side. I need you to sleep with your neck
Oh, that's
up.
the worst for me. I'm a side sleeper. I've been forcing myself to sleep on my back all these months.
The adjustment is going to be a lot less painful than that just was.
Yeah, I know.
The adjustment's nothing. The adjustment's a piece of cake. Chin back for me. Chin, chin, chin back. Look up towards me. Look at me. Back, back, back. That's it. Now, I need you to relax. I got you right here. There it goes. All right. Piece of cake. The adjustment is... She's still there.
It felt good.
The adjustment's like the nice part.
Yeah.
Everybody's so scared. Like, come on, guys. Chin back. No faith. One more chin back, chin way back. Way, way back. Right here. There's the rest of it. All right. Let's see what she did. Chin up. Look at me. That's... Oh, there's the piece. There it is. Very nice. No response. No response. Uh-oh. I don't know if that's good or bad.
Feels like I'm getting ready to go on a Disney World ride.
Hang on to your hats and glasses. She is a Floridian. Bend your knee. Anything hurt there in the low back?
No.
Okay. I'm going to slide you down the table. You're fine. You're fine. Just slide. All right, take it easy. You okay?
Yeah.
Breathe, take some breaths. So did you know you had neck problem?
I can move.
Yeah. Small wonder you couldn't move your neck. Here we go. Look, there's nothing to injure here. There's nothing that can be broken by me doing this, okay? You're okay. You got a huge knot right here. Trust me, I can't injure anything by doing this. It's just frickin' sore. And it's kind of walled itself off in a ball. It's not letting anything go in. I can feel it right there. Feel all that crunchiness? Yeah, that's your body encapsulating it. It's 'cause it can't figure out what to do. So it's just doing whatever it can. I'm sorry. Here we go. Again, there's nothing in here. There's nothing in here to hurt. Here we go. No, there's nothing there. Okay. Okay, here we go. There it goes. Good. This, we might have to come back to that one, okay? Feel that? Breathe, 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 breathe. I gotta lower this down just a little bit. Breathe. Can you go back a little further now? Yes, you can. There you go. She's like, I don't know about this. You can't. You just flopped your arm right there. That doesn't make you happy.
I feel like 20 things is going on.
You just went like that. I can't get a good angle otherwise. Breathe. Wow. Okay. Take a break for a second. The adjustment will probably make it feel a lot better. All right, I'm going to release underneath the scapula. Relax the arm as much as you can. Let me have it. I got you. It's real. Breathe, 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 breathe. Okay, one. Yeah, you got a big knot there. Here we go. Here we go. There it is. Done. 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 You're okay. I promise. You're all right. You're all right. Okay, here we go. Deep breath in. All the way up. There it is. Done. All right. Deep breath in. There it is. All right. You're doing it. No, low back feels fine though. Oh God. All right. Woo. Yeah, over here. Okay, done. You didn't know you had all this over here, huh?
No.
Let's do it. Relax your arm as much as you can. I got you. I got you. And relax here. Whew. This shoulder pops up just fine. She's like, no, it doesn't. No, it actually does, though. Okay, I got you. There it is. One more, one more. Done. Okay, let's see. Oh, she's like, why did I come here? She's wearing pink. Here it is, here it is, here it is. Here we go. Here we go, here we go. I know, it's right there. Here. That's the nerve right there. Got you. Done. Done. Okay, okay. Just pressure, just straight pressure. Right there. Okay. This helps with muscle spasms. going to go level by level here, okay? Like not as, probably need to tell them that too. Tuck your chin for me, like chin to your chest, and then just back down again. Wow, that's really coming out there. Doesn't look like it's been worked on in that regard. Okay, and very carefully, hand over here. I just like to hear, okay? Or whatever you can do. Can you put it on top of your head or just relax?
No, I can't.
Just to hear?
Right here.
Okay. All right. Okay. Whatever you do to one side, you gotta do the other. There's nothing over here. Like, there is nothing. Okay. So, what I'm gonna do is get you up and out of there.
Oh my gosh, there's light.
I know.
Whew. Oh my god. Whew. Ooh, can I stand up for a second?
Yes,
Whew.
whatever you gotta do.
Oh my gosh. Oh
probably
my
from-
god. I feel like I was in the dark for a minute.
There it goes, it's coming out. Look down for me. Only time I'll ever ask you to look down. I don't really like looking down. Don't look down today though. If you look down, it'll pull it out. Okay. So you want to see what it looks like?
Holy shit. That's bad.
Yeah, you got it all over. Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially if you look down at your chest now. Like that's, like, that really came out. Now that all goes away in 7 days, okay? It's not permanent. There we go. Other side. There's the rest of it. Okay, on your back. Just stay on your back for me. All right. Now does it hurt just laying like this?
No.
Look, we rearranged a lot. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, so does it hurt at end range?
Yeah.
Okay. Now how about this one?
No.
No. Okay. Here we go. There it is right there. Take a break. Gone. It's gone. Okay. I keep going. I usually give about 3, and if it's not gone by the 3rd one, I'll just say, oh well. Anything hurt?
No.
Like even on the other side? Nothing?
No.
Okay. Here it comes. All right, any pain when I do? Take a deep breath in. I'm not gonna pop it.
I think you answered your own question there.
Yeah. Just take a deep breath. And then out. Oh, it's rides high. All right, here we go. And then out on the exhale. Here we go. All the way out. Air out. And again. That's as much as it goes. Okay. That's as much as that rib goes. Pretty good. All right, come on up. See how it feels. I know, just come on up. I can't do any of the other moves because it's too sore. There you go.
I feel something,
it?
yeah, but it's when I'm like going all the way back. I feel it like right here.
Lower.
Yeah.
But it's not necessary.
I think I'm good with at least. I'm happy I
yeah,
can do this.
Yeah,
I'm happy I can do this.
How about this one?
Yeah, that feels a lot better.
Okay. The rib might just be something we have to work on. So what I want to do, you place it like right here where that problem spot is. Roll this way a little bit more. Up, up, up. You're okay. Right there. Yeah, it's just never had a chance. And then back for me. I'm gonna go a little lower. You gotta like marinate.
It's just like a lot of tension.
Well, and go ahead and push on the chest. Take your hands and push on your chest. Open that up. Yes, push the ribs open. Push them, push them. You know. Just kind of, you don't have to, you can even put like some weight. Yeah. They need to go that way.
I don't have that much force, girl. That helped though when you put the force.
Get a bag of bricks, and put them on top of you. I have my son sit on top of me.
Amputate me at this point.
Like physical therapy on it. You need some of that. Pushing up. Just something simple.
Yeah, I wasn't able to do that.
So you hold that for a minute. Move on to a plank. Then once you're in the plank, right now you were just doing your butt. This is what you were doing. I know, it's this. Even if it's just okay. Whatever it is, okay? Put a yoga block there to stop you.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I have 2 yoga blocks, so I will do that.
Those, then you work here and just using lats, pull on, you hang. Don't worry, let it open up. You got a scar, you got a huge scar here. Maybe just not, if it's injured, that's why an MRI will help you, because I don't know where the nick is. You have a nick in your labrum, probably. Something is going on. It's like a clock. It could be anywhere. It hurts a little bit. Take it easy. Easy, easy, easy. All right. Any other questions for me?
No, thank you.
If you have any more,